Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hubert Sanders here with Absolute Wealth. I've been getting a ton of questions on, oh my goodness, well, I'm just paraphrasing here, obviously. Oh my goodness, what should I do with Apple? Well, if you're long Apple, it depends on where you're long from and what you should do with Apple. If you're long anywhere above 530, you may want to cut it loose. So I'm looking at a monthly chart here on Apple. Symbol, if you've never traded Apple, is AAPL. So this is the zone of where Apple could potentially go if it keeps on selling off. We're drawing from the low of 09 on a monthly chart to the high here of this past year. We draw from 0.1 to 0.2, and we're looking for a 50% drawdown. Now, I don't think that's going to happen, but what you've got going on here is you have a different kind of bounce. So what I mean by different kind of bounce, let's take a look at the daily chart. So Apple's actually, it's a little bit decoupled from the other markets right now. And in other words, Apple will go down even when the market's up, which is not what you want to see in a stock. It's still strong. It still acts okay. It just doesn't act great. So you see this little sell-off here? See this purple line? This means confusion. And then this means potential bottom, which worked great. And then it retraces up here. And then it comes back down. And then you see a big red volume and a green volume. That's, that's a capitulation or climactic volume situation. But the only problem is it didn't bounce very high, and then it rolled back over. And the price action today was in the lower 1/3 or lower quarter of this little box that it's made for itself. So that means Apple could potentially go lower. Now, how much lower? Well, most recent low that it will probably test will be down here at 504. And then after it breaks through 504, then you're going to be on a fast track to potentially $450. Good luck. Hope it helps, and I'll see you on the next video.